Okay, so the Whisper model, working with the shape of the molecule, how you want to predict the shape of the molecule. First of all, the first step in determining the shape of the molecule is drawing the Lewis structure. Find the Lewis structure. If you cannot find the Lewis structure correctly, you cannot find the shape of the molecule. Now, how we will predict the shape of the molecule? First of all, you have to know that we have something that's called electron geometry. Okay, so we have here the electron geometry. Electron geometry and molecular geometry. Electron shape and molecular shape. So be careful because there is a difference between them. Electron shape will count all the electron group around the central atom. By the way, you have to focus on the central atom. How many electron group? The electron group could be lone pair. Lone pair, this is the lone pair. Or bonding group. Bonding a group. This bonding group could be atom, could be group of atom. Okay? Be careful if it's single bond or double bond or triple bond, all will consider one bonding a group. Okay? If you have single or double or triple bond, you will consider it one bonding group. Don't tell me if you have double bond, this is two bonding group. No, I'm not talking about bond. I'm talking bonding a group. Okay, and of course we will look for the central atom and look how many lone pair, how many bonding group. That will represent the electron group. Now, electron shape depend on the electron group, both lone pair and bonding group. Molecular shape depend on the bonding group only. Bonding group, not lone pair. Electron shape or electron geometry depend on the bonding group plus lone pair. For electron group, we have either, if we have two electron group, will be linear. If we have a 3 electron group, will be trigonal planar. If we have 4 electron group, will be tetrahedral. So if we have 2 electron group, linear, 3 electron group, trigonal planar, 4 electron group, tetrahedral. Now the molecular shape, we said it's showing only the bonding group, not the lone pair in the space. And you will see how many lone pair we have. It will give you different molecular shape. Now, first of all, molecular shape equal the electron shape 1. There is no lone pair. That means 0 lone pair. Okay, guys? Molecular shape will equal electron shape when we have 0 lone pair. So look to the molecular shape here. We have 0 lone pair. Molecular shape will be same as electron shape, linear. We have 2 groups. We have 3 group, 0 lone pair. Molecular shape will be similar like the electron shape. We have 4 electron group, 0 lone pair. Molecular shape will be similar to the electron shape. Now, if we have 1 or 2, the molecular shape will be different. And when we have 2 electron group only, we don't have a possibility to have 1 lone pair. We just have one possibility, 0 lone pair. If we have 1 lone pair, that means we will have 2 atoms. 2 atoms always give you linear shape. Now, when we have a 3 electron group, there is a possibility to have 1 lone pair. That case, the electron geometry, the electron shape will be trigonal planar because we have 3 groups. But the shape of the molecule will be bent. If we have 4, if we have 1 lone pair, will be trigonal pyramidal. The shape of the molecule will be trigonal pyramidal. If we have 2, the shape of the molecule will be bent. Guys, this table is very important. You will need it to work with your homework or quiz, or in the exam you need to memorize it, okay, and be familiar with it. Let's practice here. What we said first, electron shape or electron geometry. 2 group, the electron group. 2 group give you linear. 3 give you trigonal planar. 4 tetrahedral. Now the shape of the molecule, molecular shape, linear will be linear also. Here, trigonal planar. If we have 0 lone pair. Guys, I'm talking only about the central atom, not terminal atom. Or we have this possibility will be bent, sorry, not bent, trigonal pyramidal. So it will be the trigonal pyramidal, no, sorry, bent. Sorry, it will be bent. We have 1 lone pair. And in 4 will be tetrahedral. We have 0 lone pair. Will be trigonal pyramidal. We have 1 lone pair. And it will be bent if we have 2 lone pair. 2 lone pair. Let's keep this here. That's a practice. CO2. What is the shape of CO2? Look here. Draw the lowest structure for CO2. It will be carbon double bond oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen here. Now we need to find the shape of the molecule. Look to the central atom, 2 carbon, and answer this question. Don't look for the terminal atom when you will decide the shape of the molecule. How many group of electron for carbon? Group of electron could be lone pair, could be bonding pair. It doesn't matter if the bonding pair single, double, or triple bond. I have 1 pair here, 2nd pair here. That's it. So you have 2. So electron shape will be linear. Molecular shape, what it is? We have one possibility. When we have two, a group of electrons will be linear also. So will be linear. Now let's look, for example, we have the CO3. CO3 CO3, it will be like this. C double bond O, O, O. And answer this question for the central atom carbon. We have three groups. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter if it's single or double bond. We are here. So here, the electron shape will be what? Will be trigonal. Planar. Now, what about the molecular shape? You have 0 lone pair, no lone pair on carbon. I'm talking about carbon, guys. 0 lone pair, so it will be also trigonal planar. Let's look for H2O. H2O, it has this Lewis structure. So it will be hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. This is the Lewis structure. Electron shape, we have 4, 2 lone pair and 2 bonding group. So 4, so it will be tetrahedral. Now, this is the electron shape. Molecular shape, what is going to be? Look at here, molecular shape, we have 2 lone pair. This is when we have 2 lone pair, so it will be bent. So here will be bent. Let's look for another molecule. Let's say we have ammonia. Ammonia and H3. This is the Lewis structure for ammonia. And look at here, when it will be bent, that's how it will be. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. This is the bent. Ammonia. Electron shape, we have 4 groups, guys. 2, 3, 4. So it will be also tetrahedral. Molecular shape, what's it gonna be? Go back here. When we have 1 lone pair, look to the central atom, guys. Look to the nitrogen. It has 1 lone pair. So when we have 1 lone pair, which is already 4 groups, so it will be trigonal pyramidal. So here will be trigonal pyramidal. And the shape, it will be like this. Nitrogen. This is the trigonal pyramidal. That's the trigonal pyramidal. So that's how you will decide the shape of the molecule. As I said, this table is very important. You have to be familiar and how to use it and practice with it to predict the shape of the molecule easy.